Did you know that a recent study predicts that by 2030, 85% of all jobs will be at risk of being replaced by AI agents? This staggering statistic has left many job seekers and experts alike wondering if we're on the cusp of a technological revolution that will change the face of work forever. But what does this mean for our future? Will AI agents replace humans, or will we find a way to coexist with these intelligent machines? In this podcast, we'll delve into the dark side of automation and explore the consequences of AI replacing humans. We'll examine the impact of AI on the job market, the skills that will be in demand, and the industries that will be most affected. Join us as we navigate the complex world of AI and human interaction.
So, what exactly are AI agents and how do they work? Simply put, AI agents are software programs designed to perform specific tasks, such as customer service, data entry, or even surgery. These agents use machine learning algorithms to learn from data and improve their performance over time. But what sets them apart from traditional automation is their ability to interact with humans in a more natural way. They can understand language, recognize images, and even exhibit emotions. This has led to a growing concern among experts that AI agents may be too advanced for our own good.
One of the most significant concerns surrounding AI agents is their potential to replace human workers. With AI taking over tasks that were once exclusive to humans, many workers are left wondering if they'll still have a job in the future. According to a recent report, AI agents will replace 47%.
But what about the industries that will be most affected by AI? Will they be able to adapt to the changing job market? Or will they be left behind? We spoke with industry experts who shared their insights on the impact of AI on various sectors. For example, in the healthcare industry, AI agents are being used to diagnose diseases and develop personalized treatment plans. However, this has also raised concerns about the potential loss of human touch in patient care.
As we explore the dark side of automation, it's essential to consider the ethical implications of AI replacing humans. Will we be able to program AI agents to make moral decisions, or will they be limited by their programming? These are questions that we need to answer as we move forward in the development of AI.
So, what does the future hold for AI and humans? Will we find a way to coexist with AI agents, or will they ultimately replace us? The answer lies in our ability to adapt to the changing job market and to develop new skills that complement AI. We'll need to focus on developing skills that are unique to humans, such as creativity, empathy, and complex problem-solving.
In conclusion, the dark side of automation is a complex and multifaceted issue that requires a nuanced approach. As AI agents continue to replace human workers, we must consider the consequences of this technological revolution and work towards creating a future where humans and AI can coexist in harmony. Join us next time as we explore more topics in the world of AI and technology. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and expert insights.